guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the number 4 of the Tricot knitting collection. But well guys, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever we post something new or whenever we start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. And of course guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas para Tener. It's a Spanish speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well guys, with that being said, let's go ahead, let's get into this. Alright guys, so we have everything out of the initial plastic and now it's time to check out the magazine. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Up at the top we have the title of the collection, Tricot, Easy and Creative. This is the number 4 guys. If you would like to see the previous 3 that we've unboxed, make sure to check out the playlist which will be located in the end cards in the end of this video. Here we just have the table of contents there. And here guys, it shows you how to make your very own like hand warmers. These I'm really interested in making. You guys tell me, what do you guys think? Tell me down in the comments below. Here it walks you through all of the different materials that you'll need. And it gives you the pattern for the rows in the gloves. I'm pretty excited about this, guys. And that's really cute. Aww. Little doggo under a knitted blanket. That's sweet. And here, guys, it walks you through how to make like a little throw blanket, like the one you can see that this dog has. Maybe I'll make this and maybe Max can use it. For those of you who don't know, Max is my dog. He's really cute. He has his own channel. If you're interested in checking out his channel, I will have it down in the description below. So make sure to check that out. He's really cute. And here it shows you how to make this different type of stitch, which is really cool. And here it shows you how to make like a card with like a little mini sweater on it. It seems to me to be like a little bit of a weird project, but you guys tell me what you guys think. You would need some really small knitting needles for this one. But it walks you through how to do it. Here it just talks about different types of yarn. And here it shows you how to undo a stitch in case you mess up. This is a very important trick to know how to do. So it walks you through how to do all of that. And here it shows you how to make a square with a V in it, or like a little pyramid in it. And here on this side, it gives you like the different sizes and abbreviations, that sort of thing here. And well guys, that's the end of that. Here we just have the back, where we see that the next in the collection, the number 5, will come with two new yarns, which one will be a bright fuchsia pink and one will be a light gray. So guys, make sure to stay tuned for that. And well guys, now it's time to check out the new additions to our knitting collection. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Alright guys, so now it's time to check out the new additions to our knitting collection. This time guys, we got a light gray yarn, which is similar to the other gray yarns that we've gotten in this collection. It's very soft as always. And then we got this kind of darker gray yarn, which is a bit different. And guys, as you can see, each of these is 25 grams. I really like how soft they are. I know I kind of can't show that on video, but they're super, super soft. And well, now I'm going to show you our new knitting needles. They're quite large. There you can see they are 10 millimeters. So they're very, very big. Again, these are wooden knitting needles, which I really, really like. I have mainly metal ones, so I really like that we were able to find these nice wooden ones. You guys tell me, what do you guys think about this number? Tell me down in the comments below. As always, I look forward to hearing from you guys.
And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there, guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button and make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And also guys, down in the description below, I will have the links to all of my social media, so my Twitter, my Facebook, my Instagram, linked all down below. I look forward to seeing you guys on there. And of course guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Parchinaire. It's a Spanish speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff guys. I will have his links down in the description below, and I will also have all of his social media as well. And more recently guys, in case you didn't know, he opened an Instagram, which will also be there. So guys, make sure to go on over and follow him on Instagram too. And well guys, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye bye.